Hey, it's JC here at JC's Comics and More, your pop culture superstore at 6725 West Central Avenue, Toledo, Ohio, 436-17419, 531-6097. This is Tuesday, February the 8th, 2022. We've got some reorders, and I've got a lot of merchandise, so let's get on into it. First item here, Volume 2 of The Boys trade. Got that for somebody. They're going to be a very happy camper. And there's other Boys comics and trades that are going to be pulled out for them as well. Got this here, Legion of Superheroes Before the Darkness, Volume 2 hardcover. Got a great George Perez cover there. This reprints a bunch of the Jerry Conway, Roy Thomas, Paul Levitt's stories. Even got Steve Ditko artwork, Jim James, Bruce Patterson, Carmen Infantino, Frank Charamonte, and pretty good for $50. Let's see what else. I think these are more DC items here. No, they're a Marvel Epic Collection. This is Volume 14, The Heart of Darkness. Reprints a bunch of the Ann Nocenti and Peter David, Mark Bagley, John Romita Jr. Stuff. Collection is Daredevil 271 to 282, Annuals 4 and 5, material from the Punisher Annual 3, Incredible Hulk Annual 16, and Silver Surfer Annual 3. And I think that's the only thing that's in there. That was the only thing in this box. Next, this one here. Lots of reorders here. And we've got our Diamond comics we're going to be doing later today. Had somebody asking about Last Ronin trade or Last Ronin number 3s. We've got those back in print. First printing, Last Ronin number 3s. Second printing Ronin number 3s. As everybody's getting ready for Last Ronin number 5 coming out, I think the end of the month. Alter Ego 173, the black superheroes. I got this back in stock. Got a couple guys interested. Let me know tomorrow. I can't remember who I reordered them for. When you come in, let me know tomorrow. They'll be behind the counter. Boys, Dear Becky. Got that for a couple of different guys, Jim, and for Paul. We'll have these waiting here for you. Bell Annual, cover C. Reordered this for Sean and for Mr. Joe. Got a copy of the blank cover for Mr. Joe too. And that's a nice cover there. You can get behind that cover very nicely. Grimm's Fairy Tales number 56, cover A. Got that for Mr. Jeff and Julie. A couple more Bell Annual 25s. Cover B's. Got those for a couple of individuals. Boys Volume 5. That's for Mr. Paul. We're going to pause and get the next box up here. Here's the next box up. Lots of merchandise from Diamond this week. Lots and lots of merchandise. And it looks like, I should say, I can't believe it, but I certainly should. This box here, one item, right? One item and poorly packed. You might say, well, it's okay. This thing should be packed in the middle like this here, with this packing material. Not on one end there. This end here, you've protected this end, but this end gets smashed. Guess what gets smashed? The figure. You put this thing in the middle, Diamond, and it gets protected all the way around. That's a waste. That's a waste of my money getting this thing shipped. One item in a box. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Next box up. This has a bunch of pops in it. Got a bunch of pops there. We'll start pulling these out. We've got 19 pops coming in this week, including, I guess we should show this, including this Ecto one with Trevor. I've got 2 of these coming in. I've got 1 that's left available. Batman, this is considered the second Batman pop from the wave. So we've got that. We've got several of these. I just ordered these things a few weeks ago. The 10-inch pop is not coming in yet. The Penguin's not coming in, but I've got the other ones coming in here. More of the Pop 2s. I think I ordered cases of 6 on these. Maybe I only ordered cases of 5. But I know the Catwoman's I ordered cases of 6, so I'd get a Chase figure. I'm not going to be very happy if they have been broken open. Mike Tyson, that's not terrible. He can knock you out. See? He's number 1. We'll have pictures up on the shop's Facebook page a little bit later today. Here is the Riddler from the Batman film. Another Mike Tyson. This is before he got the tattoo on his face. See, they need to do a second one with the tattoo. Mike all tatted out. Another Riddler. Got a couple Riddlers. Got some of the U.S. Navy sailors. Got a couple of these. We got the white sailor right here. Okay, it's another white sailor there, I guess. I think that's a white sailor. And another one, so I think they did not give me the correct one. I got white sailors and black sailors. I want to say I ordered 3 of each, and these appear to be the white sailor. But they might be, who knows, they might be. Look on the back there. He doesn't look perhaps as white as he perhaps should be. Next box with pops. We'll see who's in here. From the Black Lightning show, here's Lightning. Another Lightning pop. From the Suicide Squad film, Harley Quinn in the red dress. These things have finally come in. We do have the other ones on order, so I'm waiting for those. I don't think there's... The only pops I've got coming in next week, we've got some of the Jumbo Galactus pops. The Black Light Jumbo Galactuses are coming back in stock. There's another Harley Quinn, so we got 2 different Harley Quinns from the Suicide Squad film. There is Black Lightning himself. Not Black Dynamite, but Black Lightning. They need to do a Black Dynamite pop. Another Black Lightning pop. Should have had these things months and months and months ago. There's another Black Lightning. Another Harley Quinn. Again, should have had these months ago. Another Harley in the red dress. From the world of Powerpuff Girls, here's Fuzzy Lumpkins. Look at him. He's all happy looking. He's all fuzzy and happy looking. He wants to chow down on some Powerpuff Girls. There's another fuzzy there. We had Black Lightning, we had Lightning, and now here's Thunder from the Black Lightning TV show in the WB. We've got another Thunder right there. There is the White Sailor. So that's the White Sailor. And that's the Black Sailor. Another White Sailor. And another one. Got another one there. And another. So I must have ordered 6 of each of these. We're going to pause the camera quickly. Right. Got another large box here. We've got the Pop Rides from the Batman film. We've got Batman in his little Batmobile. That's what, like a Charger or something. He's got supercharged. So we've got bats that's available. And we've got a case. We got 2 more in here. I'm not going to bother opening that box up to know what that is. Okay, this is probably the Catwoman Pops, maybe. We'll see. This is the Catwoman Pops. There's the regular one, and I do have a chase on that also. I'm not sure what the chase is going for yet. Check back with us tomorrow, or maybe come in and check with us today. If you come with us today, I'll sell it today. I grab the next box. This box said my invoice wasn't closed. My invoice is not in here unless nope, was not with the papers. So they lied. Invoice not enclosed. And no invoice in this box. Lots of paper, including another one of the Ecto ones. And this one, ironically enough, is damaged. That is funny that this is damaged from that box. And the one that should have been damaged was not. Also, part of the Pop Rides, Catwoman on her motorcycle. I do have a couple of those available. Got some new puzzles in. Who's your buddy? Buddy Jesus. Buddy Christ. There you go. He's your pal. He's your buddy. So we got a couple of those buddy Jesus in. Got some more pops here. Let's get these things cracked open. Like I said, I do have another box I'm picking up probably tomorrow. Should have more of these Infinity Saga pops in them. As you can see, I've got Hawkeye here. There's 4 different Infinity Pops. And, all right. These are in their own special cases. So that's why that box was much heavier. But we've got Hawkeye here. And we've got Iron Man. I've got the other ones I've got a Thor, he's purple, and I want to say there's a Captain America that is blue. But that's that right there. Again, we'll have photos up on the shop's Facebook page later today. You can find the Facebook link in the description below. Other than that, thanks again, and the next video will be the rest of the Diamond comics. Thanks again.